Can I really start a business without any cash? If this is your question, stay tuned. You're in the right channel. Stick with me to the end of this video to get all the full details you need on how you can start a business without a single dime. Watch out to the video, guys. See you in the video. Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to GGS Global Consult YouTube channel. My name is Richard Ojukwu, as you guys already know, for those that are already aware. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be making it an interesting one, which I believe every young person out there really needs to hear this, and every young person out there really needs to work on this. This is just a simple thought which I want you guys to also have the idea and work to whatever I'm going to be saying in this video. How to start a business without a cash. Does that really make sense? Is it really possible? So these are what I'll be sharing in this video tips. All you just need to do is watch till the end, because every details and information will be given before this video ends. So please make sure you take something down, jot stops. I'm saying this, jot stops, so that it's going to be of a greater benefit for you that is watching me, so that you'll be able to learn more on how you can start a business. When I mean a business, a profitable business that can be give you figures like this. This is what I earn and this is what I do. So I'm giving you due to what I have used for myself and what that is working for me. So far it's working for me, it can also work for you. So all you just need to do is watch this video to the end to get every full details which you need to start up your own profitable business, be it online or be it offline. You can make cool cash from this guide. So guys, watch out to the video. Hi everyone, welcome to the video proper. As I've said, welcome to my channel, welcome to GGS Global Consult YouTube channel. Please, if it's your first time coming across our video, you just have to do well, click to the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, because in this channel we make sure that we post every vital, detailed, informative videos to help you grow your business and also give you the insight on how to make you a successful person on this online field and offline. So all you just need to do is please stick tuned and stay subscribed for more valuable videos just as the one you're about to watch, and also click on the like button, like our videos, share to those that will also need informative videos just as this, because in this video I'll be making sure that I break every detailed information which you need on how you can start a profitable business without putting any dime in it. When I mean starting a profitable business without putting any dime in it, I really mean it, because this is what that has really been working for me. These are the figures I get on a daily basis whenever I start implementing everything I'm going to be discussing in this video. So all you just need to do is stick to the end of this video by please subscribe and also share, and don't forget to like. You can also drop any comments if you have any ideas that you think is going to be of a greater benefit. Also, you can drop any comment, drop your comments, and if you have any question, you can drop your comment and I'll be grateful to reply to your comment and give you all you need to understand about it. So please I'll be moving on to the video proper on how you can start a profitable business online, which I don't mean to say it online. It can be online, it can be offline. All it means is just start something that you can say is your business, and how you can start making a lot of profit from it without you putting any dime, just as little capital into it before starting up. So before I can start this, I'll be giving you just few questions, and if these few questions is related to you, that means this video is for you. So you just have to understand these few things and start implementing them. Number one question I will have to start with: do you want to work for someone? Let me put it in this way: how do you make money without working for someone else? This is something which many persons, like young guys like us, young entrepreneurs, young youths, this is what they really want. They don't want to depend on anybody before they get their financial stability. This is what that really drives me to start working on this type of project, type of work, to give you guys the insight on how you can start making money without working for somebody. So the number second question which I will be asking you here is: what do successful entrepreneurs do that small entrepreneur doesn't do? This is another question which I believe is going to be a triggering one to make you want to watch this video to the end. So please stick to the end of this video, as I've said, because all these things will be treated in an appropriate manner. So the third one is, would you like to live a luxurious life or a frugal lifestyle? This is something which I know many persons really would say no, they don't want. So in order to understand every detailed information, you just have to make sure that you listen and watch this video. And again, the fourth one, which is, what is the most important things you need to know before you start a business? So this is something which I've already discussed fully in an ebook guide which I'll be introducing to you later on in this video. And you have to understand that everything in this guide is already stated in an appropriate manner for easy understanding. So if you want to do yourself a favor by making it big as an online entrepreneur or an offline entrepreneur, just go to the description below, get this ebook guide and help yourself out by creating wealth for yourself and for your family, making yourself financially stable and making it big as an online entrepreneur and also an offline entrepreneur. So the last but not the least, this is the last question which I'll be asking, which is, what are some mistakes that is being made by some persons when they start? This is a question which I believe so many persons are really finding difficult. Some persons, while starting business, they forget that there are some certain things that they need to do, they need to start with before they start with, which I'll also discuss in this video. Mistakes that you make before you start business. So please, now I'll be heading on to the video proper. Before starting that, I'll have to give you this simple insight. Whenever you want to start a business, I'll be giving you a few tips on how to do this. Number one, you have to understand yourself. Understand the type of business you are good at. If you are the type of person that you think everywhere, you are good at everywhere. When they call you for this, you are there. When they call you for this, you are there. When they call for digital marketing, you are there. When they call for designing, you are there. But this is giving yourself and giving your mental health issues, because you can never be a jack of all trades and be master of none. Understand this, that you have to understand yourself before you start implementing anything that you want to do as your business to start making money. So please take note of all these things. As I've said, you can start jotting stuff down, because everything that we're discussing here are going to be in details. So the second one is, you have to have a vision. And what is vision? Some persons don't understand what is vision. Vision is an imaginary picture of your future, which is painted by imagination. What I mean by that is, vision is something that you have in your brain, in your memory, that is being installed there, that you think that you can achieve, though it is not physically appearing, but it's something that you have painted by the power of your imagination. So you have to have vision of type of business you are good at. This is another thing which I will be discussing with you. So if you really want to make it successful as an online entrepreneur or as an offline entrepreneur, you have to work on building your vision in a way that you understand that this is what I want for myself, this is what I can work, this is what I can really do. So please, you have to understand these stuff and start implementing them. So now I'll be moving on to the video proper, how you can start a profitable business without cash. If you have understand what you can do, which is by understanding yourself and having a vision, that is good. But all that detailed information on how you can create wealth by building an entrepreneurial spirit in you is also detailed in the video, in the ebook guide, which I'll be giving out in the description below. It is going to be easily accessible, but I'm not assuring you it's going to be staying for a longer period. So you just have to give yourself this understanding by going on to the description below, get the ebook guide and read it out and learn things that you need to do if you want to really make it big as an online entrepreneur or as a business owner, because everything I've very explained given in a detailed explanation with video guide attached to it for easy understanding. So please, as I'll be moving on to the 10 tips on how you can start business, a profitable business without cash, I'll be sharing 10 tips of how you can start a profitable business without cash. These 10 tips are already installed in this ebook guide. Every information on how you can implement these 10 tips are already installed in this ebook guide, but I'll just be giving you the few ones which I believe is so interesting and it's going to trigger you to go and get the ebook guides, because this ebook guide is going to be the best thing you will ever have as a business owner. So number one thing, I'll be talking on how you can start a business without cash. I have 10 tips, but I'll be discussing some few points here. So number one on my list here is you can start a business by starting with profit sharing formula. What I mean by profit sharing formula, this is simple and simply understood. You have to understand that being a profit, if you want to start making money with profit sharing formula, that means you have a business idea, you have a product in mind that you think is going to be of a greater benefit, but you don't have the cash to work on it. You can go ahead and meet with business owners, those that already have the facilities, that have the money. Meet with them, talk to them about your business plans and how you think this can be helpful to everyone. Share your ideas with them. So once you share the ideas, they work on it, produce the product and start marketing on your behalf. And once they start making sales, they share the profit of what they have and give you. That is how you can start off. By that alone, you have gotten enough that you can really to start something with. So this is number one out of it. So the number two, which I'll be talking again on how you can start a profitable business without cash, selling your ideas. What is the point of having a lot of ideas but it is not fiscally seen by men? So you have to understand these things. Some persons have so many knowledges and ideas which they think they have it. Bring it out for people to see, and if it's something that is valuable enough, people can pay for it to have it. Like the one I do, I make sure that every of the knowledge I have, I make sure that I implement and write them in full details in an ebook guide or through a video course, which I can share to people and sell to them for them to start learning new stuffs, and I get paid for it. So this is what that really make me this type of figures. So you understand these things. Start selling your ideas. Once you start selling your ideas, it's a greater benefit for you too. You can just start it up, and before you know it, you grow your brand and grow yourself as a big online entrepreneur and also an offline entrepreneur. So that is the second part of it. Number one, I said profit sharing formula, and the second one is start selling your ideas. I have 10 of it already installed in the ebook guide. You can do yourself that favor by getting it and make sure that you have all the detailed information about how you can start a business without having the capital to start up. So the third one, which I believe so many persons are really interested in learning, which is through the royalty factors. What I mean by true royalty factors, example like Amazon royalty factors, music publishing. If you're a publisher, if you're a music, if you're an artist, for instance, you publish your song, you post your song, once it gets streamed, you get paid for it. Once you start getting streams from every platforms, your payments start trooping into your account. That is another simple way you can make a cool cash without adding any capital to it. The second one, which is publishing of books. So many persons already have the ideas of Amazon KDP, which is one of the best platform to publish your books. So you can go ahead, start publishing books that you can start making a cool money from. For instance, you can see a result like this. These are what Amazon KDP really pays out to persons just by publishing books. So you can also start doing these things and start making wealth for yourself, and that will make it an easy guide too for some persons that don't have the ideas of what it's all about. You can just go on to the ebook guide. I have a video course there that teaches you everything in details on how you can start your career as a publisher on Amazon KDP to get figures like this in your account. This is what they pay. So you just have to understand that. Get this guide and start implementing every of the detailed information which I discussed there. There's a video guide that revealed how you can start making $10,000 from publishing Amazon book on Amazon KDP. This is just a simple thing you can do. If people like this can do it, why can't you do it? It's a question, and I believe you can do it. So just understand that you need to go and watch this video training guide. Learn everything that you need to learn, and once you've learned it, it becomes your knowledge and it is yours forever. That is how knowledge pays, because I don't see anything hard in you paying for knowledge, because when you pay for knowledge, you understand that your payment is being collected once, but the knowledge lasts forever. That is how I find it interesting, because I don't mind whatever course I'm buying. I make sure I buy the course, and once I've gotten the knowledge I need out of it, the knowledge becomes mine. The money I've paid already has gone, so I don't need to start commenting or complaining about the money any longer, but the knowledge is already installed in my memory. So that is how it is. So you should not be afraid of learning new stuff when you are being asked to pay for it. Whenever you want to learn new stuff, make sure you have the zeal to make payment to learn that stuff and start implementing everything and start making money for yourself, because the money you will even be making will be more than what you use when you are trying to learn it at the first place. So that is another thing. I have an instructed video that is going to be revealing how you can start making figures like this in Amazon KDP. Just go to the description below, get the ebook guide, read everything and watch the video. Once you watch it, that is a greater benefit for you to start growing your business and start making money from Amazon KDP. So the last but not the least, I'll be sharing just 4 tips here, so you can just go well and watch the rest out from the ebook guide and learn the rest from the ebook guide. The last but not the least, selling people's goods. You can also call it an affiliate market, you can call it anything you can call it, but the only thing there is you are selling for people, meaning you collect product for some persons, you go and market it. Whenever you get sales, you get commission for it, and by so doing, you are not putting any cash there. The only thing that is needed is your marketing skills and advertisement skills. Once you start doing that, your money keeps trooping in while you are balanced on it, and you can even go ahead and start producing your own product by making sure that you have something that you can really give out to people that is going to be so valuable. So you have to understand these things. Selling people product and services can also fetch you a lot of money without you adding any dime to it. Just have the marketing skills to start advertising for them and start making cool cash from it. So guys, these are the 4 tips I'll just be discussing in this video to get a better and a perfect understanding of what you need to do on how you can start a profitable business. Go on and get the guide, learn every 10 tips which I will discuss. I've already discussed with videos in it already. Go on, get the guide, learn the 10 tips and start implementing them and start making profitable cash from this online base. You can start it up as an online entrepreneur. You can also do it as an offline entrepreneur. It is versatile for everyone. So guys, I believe you have gotten the value from this video. All I'm just going to be apologizing and begging you to do is subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you have gotten the value from the videos. Subscribe to our channel and also click on the like button to like our videos so that more persons can also see it. And I believe you have subscribed to this channel, and I know that you have clicked on the bell icon too. So please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon for more informative videos just as the one you just finished watching. And as I'm saying, do not forget to like, because the moment you like, some other persons will also have the advantage to get this type of informative videos you've just watched. So please and please do well to get the guide. I believe this guide is just going to be on for the moment. Very soon I'll be taking it down because of my personal reasons. So it's just as if I shared every informative understanding I have and giving it to you guys just for free with just a little token, which I don't think is it's worth it. It doesn't worth it to my understanding. So this is why I want you to just do yourself a favor to get this privilege just this moment to get the guide, because very soon I'll be taking it down, and once it's down, getting it will be difficult. So you just have to understand that you get the guide to learn how you can start making profitable amount of cash from this online field. And if you are not an online entrepreneur, if you are a business owner that owns a shop or a store or all this stuff, you can start making a cool cash from it too. This is just the best tip you can ever imagine. The 10 tips, when I mean 10 tips of how you can start a profitable business without any single dime. This is what I discussed in full details with video instruction also in the ebook guide. I just gave you just 4 out of it, and if 4 can be this vital and this valuable, what about the remaining 6? You can just go in and get this guide to learn the more, and the more you learn, the more you get informed. So please and please do not forget to share our video, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to GGS Global Consult YouTube channel. So stay tuned, and please more videos are coming your ways. I have another hot packaged video which I believe you won't want to miss. And if you don't want to miss this video, just click on the bell icon so that you get notified once this video gets dropped in this channel. So guys, see you in my next video, and please bye for now.